Well, this is a devlog for a multiplayer third-person shooter game that I'm developing. This is the single-player character. I'm going to show you the blueprint for single player before any changes are made to it for multiplayer. This is the equip, unequip, or holster, unholster blueprint, and I'm going to be making changes to this part of the blueprint. Now I'm going to test equip and unequip on the client. So I'll press 1, and that's working on the client, but that's not working on the server. This is a test of equip, unequip, and I'm going to be testing on the server. So I'll press 1 to holster. So you can see that's working on the server, but it's not working on the client. Now I'm going to show the changes I made to the player character blueprint for multiplayer. And these are all the changes I made. I added these custom events. Normally I don't like to show the code on my devlogs because it can change a lot and it's not always completely working, but I thought this might help some other people, so I decided to show this code. This is a test of the client on the left, so I'm going to press 1 to holster and press 1 again to unholster. So that looks like it's working correctly. This is a test of the server on the right. You press 1 to holster and 1 to unholster. So that's working correctly.